My cat is evil. I go to pet him, and he goes to bite. Oh my god. King?
Yeah, that's pretty clear, right?
King? King? Ow! Oh god, he's a Morris. He went through the claw.
You're messing up my hoodie, Ellen. Take it off.
You are looking at the sights and sounds of the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, making great progress now at Columbus Circle.
Oh, just go. Ah!
Beautiful day here. And speaking of unbelievable, we are very fortunate to have
King?
one of the superstars
King.
of dance, Mr. Michael Flatley. NBC is going to be
Let go. Let go. Oh.
First of all, Mr. You look spectacular. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving Day to you as well. So this dance competition, what is this going to be like? Oh, it's an explosion of entertainment and excitement. They get the greatest dancers in the world from 8 countries on 6 continents. They're all going to be fighting for the prize to be crowned greatest dancers in the world right here on NBC TV. Well, that's fantastic. Yeah, you got the moves ready? I'm ready. Oh, yeah, you're ready. We're looking forward to it. Ready for it. We're watching your show Sunday, January 4th.
He does not like the camera.
NBC. That's right. Raise the roof, Matt Merritt. Something you don't see every day. Al, thank you very much. Although it is well known for its extraordinary scoring for songs that have become worldwide standards, Rodgers and Hammerstein.
The lion is ready to attack.
Compelling and spirited drama that's as relevant today as it was when it first started thrilling audiences back in 1949.
And having won the Pulitzer Prize for drama the following year, South Pacific remains a classic war saga, raising provocative